Welcome back to Touch Trove, your favorite spot for breaking tech news and game-changing updates. Today, we're diving into Samsung's next foldable revolution, and trust me, this one's packed with surprises. Mobile phone fire. Samsung has officially kicked off preparations for its next-gen foldables, Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, and yes, a brand new budget foldable, possibly called the Galaxy Z Flip FE, is on the way too. Package mass production begins. Fresh reports from South Korea confirm that Samsung Display has already begun mass production of foldable OLED panels. These panels are being shipped to Samsung's Vietnam-based assembly factories, where most Galaxy devices are manufactured and shipped worldwide, including to the US, Europe, and Asia. This aligns with Samsung's usual timeline, so we can safely expect the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 to launch around July 2025. Moneybag enter the Galaxy Z Flip FE budget foldable incoming. Now, let's talk about the wildcard, the Galaxy Z Flip FE. According to insiders, Samsung is planning to launch this more affordable foldable, but not alongside the main models. Instead, it might drop later in October or November, strategically spaced out to avoid eating into Flip 7's premium sales. Specs-wise, the Flip FE might feature a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, or even an older flagship chip to keep costs low. The design is expected to resemble the Flip 5, but with a simplified hinge, a more basic cover display, and possibly fewer camera features. If Samsung manages to price this between $799 to $899, this could be a massive breakthrough in the mid-range foldable market, especially for younger users and first-time foldable buyers. Raising hands. Triangular ruler. What about the Trifold phone? Yes, the mythical Trifold phone, also known as the Flex Hybrid. While Samsung has been teasing this form factor for a while, there's still no official confirmation that it's coming in 2025. Industry insiders believe that the Trifold might still be under testing, and Samsung could choose to unveil it later, maybe at CES 2026 or during a dedicated innovation event. Until then, Z Fold and Flip remain the main stars of the show.